This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set time in your Decathlon W500 watch. To begin, press and hold the bottom left button for about 3 seconds until the seconds display starts flashing. This indicates you've entered the time setting mode. For precise timekeeping, you can reset the seconds to 0 by pressing the top right button. This ensures your watch is perfectly synchronized. Once the seconds are set, press the bottom right button to advance to the hour setting. You'll see the hour digits flashing. Use the top right button to cycle through and select the correct hour. Remember, this watch typically uses a 24-hour format. After setting the hour, press the bottom right button once more to move to the minute adjustment and use the top right button to set the minutes. Next, we'll set the date. Press the bottom right button to move from minutes to the month setting. The month digits will flash, allowing you to adjust them with the top right button. After setting the month, press the bottom right button again to move to the day of the month. Use the top right button to select the correct day. This ensures your watch displays the accurate date. Finally, once you have adjusted all the time and date settings, including the seconds, hours, minutes, month, and day, it's time to exit the setting mode. Simply press the bottom left button one more time. Your Decathlon W500 watch will now display the updated time and date. Take a moment to double-check everything to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.